Very much. Good morning, Arka. Good morning, visitors. Myself, Sujit Kalekar. Sonu ma'am had given wonderful introduction of me. I'm here to introduce my business. I represent SIS Environmental Services. In 2015, we started this company. I am into this business from last 10 years. From 2013, I am into this business. I have done my engineering from KIT College. So, SIS Environmental Services, what it does? We provide solutions for wastewater treatment plants and water treatment plants. Wastewater treatment plants generated from domestic residential projects, hospitals, hotels, and wastewater generated from commercial projects or industries, let it be different industries. So we provide treatment plants for that. We are expertise in undertaking environment impact assessments in sector of thermal power plants, metallurgy industry, townships, distilleries, chemical industries, and construction projects. We work in four verticals. We have three products and one fall into services. So major product or we are more expertise in, we have given like multiple projects is sewage treatment plant. So let's try to understand what is sewage. Sewage means wastewater generated from human population. Human population, let it be toilets, bathrooms, whatever wastewater generated from residential projects or domestic households, it is called as sewage. So we provide treatment plants for those. There are different technologies. Let it be MBBR technology, SBR technology, MBR technology. These are the technologies which treat wastewater, and in this what happens is biological treatment takes place where complex organic matter from our wastewater is converted into simple. As you know, you must have heard about composting. The waste is converted into a something useful. The compost is same thing happens here, but here we treat wastewater. These type of plants are there. There's an aeration tank, there's a settler tank, and then there's a filter feed tank. There are two types of filters. One is carbon filter and sand filter. First, sand filter, followed by then this is the blower, air blowers, which keeps the aerobic conditions in aeration tank. These are the recently projects. This project work, we have sent this to Tirupati, Deccan Education Society, Ferguson College, Deccan Education Society. Their project, they have the college in Tirupati. So we have constructed this here and we have sent it to Tirupati and we installed it successfully. Then second part comes with effluent treatment plant. Actually, STP is also an effluent treatment plant, but here effluent means the process from different wastewater from different processes of industries. Let it be pharmaceutical industry, let it be your dairy industry, let it be foundry. So whatever wastewater or water which gets contaminated by the process. So in pharmaceutical you will get chemicals, in foundry you get paints, in dairy you will get fats. So every wastewater coming from different industries need to be treated differently. So we provide customized turnkey solutions for that. The characteristics varies. And then third, our product is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting, as we everyone know, that's like today there's a need of water because we are seeing that the groundwater table has been lowering day by day, and number of inquiries from rainwater harvesting also increasing. So this is what we do. We do rainwater harvesting in two different types. What we do is collection of rainwater at storage tanks and then reuse. And secondly, we do groundwater recharge, which is most preferable because it is an easier way. While collecting with a storage tank, it becomes tedious because we need to build a huge collection tank for that. So this is a form where from the rooftop is collected in the storage tank, providing a filter which will be again reused as per our need. This is for groundwater recharge. What we do is we recharge the rainwater to the ground itself through such kind of soak pits. And then this is again an important part of my services. What we provide is MPCB or pollution control board licensing. Let it be of any state or any or central pollution control board. for any commercial or industrial activities, what we need is we need consent from pollution control board. Let it be consent to establish or consent to operate. Environment clearances are required for larger projects. Larger projects means construction having more than 2 lakh square feet. We need environment clearance, environment impact assessment. E-waste and plastic waste management solutions also we provide. We have different environmental management services like ambient air monitoring, stack monitoring, which is required in industries. Then we have noise and work zone monitoring, illumination monitoring also is there. Water wastewater analysis we take for your water from boring. If it's hard or something, then we need to check with the analysis that we do. Then we have different reports which are mandatory for industries from pollution control board. Those are annual environment statement report. If there's a hazardous waste generation in your industries or in your premises, we need to fill the hazardous waste form every year. That also we provide.
Sujit, you have 2 minutes.
These are like partial client lists. You can just go through it because I can't read it each and every client. And there are recently we have completed the hospitals from 30 to 35 hospitals from Pune and Kolhapur region. These are the client list. And there's a message for everyone. Water is life and conservation is the future. Let's save lives through water conservation. If anyone has any questions regarding this, please let me know. Yes, sir.
Hi Sujit. What is the minimum bed size for hospital you need to you can service?
Actually, as per BMW 2016 rules, any hospital greater than 10 beds, we need to provide STP for that. So wastewater generated from the, but as per, it becomes very tedious and very challenging for giving STP to 10 beds. Pollution Control Board is slowly lowering the number of beds. As Meerut, I have provided STP for five beds hospital also. And in Kolhapur region, we are starting with 25 beds, 15 beds. New hospitals, we need to give the STP. Yes, sir.
सर एक प्रश्न आहे माझा की जे वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट तुम्ही करता त्याच्यामध्ये जे फूड वेस्ट होतं हॉटेलमध्ये किंवा याच्यातून तर त्याच्यातून नवीन प्रोजेक्ट आहेत की एनर्जी जनरेशन पार्ट एक आहे.
Yes, yes.
ते पण तुम्ही करता का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We need to provide a biodigester for that. Organic waste converter, we can convert it into biodigester. Biogas or methane gas is generated, which can be used. Now we have Kirloskar is providing generators which uses biogas for the conversion of electricity. We can do that, sir. A small activity I want to do is we have like a number of visitors. So I request all members sitting beside the visitors. I have provided the glass water bottles. That is to avoid plastic. You can use it in your house. You can use it in your offices. Because this year's pollution control board theme is to beat the plastic. So I request all the members who are sitting beside the visitors, please give those bottles to the visitors. Thank you all the members.
Thank you.